Now we will begin the calibration process. First, we will calibrate for the pens. Pen calibration is always done before touch calibration. To calibrate the pens, press the User button on the remote control and select Auto Calibration and Yes. Allow about 15 seconds for the pen calibration to complete. When pen calibration is completed, we can now calibrate for finger touch. Next, use the remote to go back to the menu. Start by going back to Settings, go into Extended, then into Easy Interactive Function and Touch Unit Setup. In the menu, click on Angle Adjustment. This will display Screen 1 of the angle adjustment process, which includes on-cross marks for placing the calibration markers. Then we pull the markers from the finger touch unit and attach them to the specific areas designated on the whiteboard as displayed by the projector. Once they are attached to the board, we then rotate the blue and green dials counterclockwise until they stop. Do not overturn. Then begin turning the dials clockwise, which will move the circles on the screen inside the ovals which are stationary. Once the circles are inside the ovals, they will become solid. Once they are solid, press Enter on the remote to go to the second step. On this second step, we will place the markers on the new location shown on the board. The circles beside them will also turn solid when the markers are placed on the board. When all 4 locations have the filled circle, press Enter on the remote to go to the next step. In this last step, green dots will appear around the perimeter of the board. Using your finger, trace around the perimeter and touch the green dots until they all disappear. Once completed, press Enter on the remote to end the calibration process.